Okay, I'm pulling the valve seals off with a pair of ducks right now. My seal puller's broken, so I go back the old way. Just grab a hold of half of it and rotate until it comes up. See, grab it like that, see? Let's get on top of it, grab a hold of it, and get them off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and regrind these seats because I don't know if they're off also. Grit on those things. So I'm going to do this the old-fashioned way. We're going to use stones to do it. So, over here, we're going to pick up a pilot over here to use. Using my dad's old stuff. So that should be a 5/16. There you go. Fits pretty good. Yep, I'll be able to use that on both. Okay, so we're going to use this here. We're going to hand grind this over here in our work area on the floor. That's our work area around here. So, box of stones here to choose from. This is a quick way of grinding stuff. So we used a 45. This one's a 45. This one here's a 30. This one's probably a 60, 65. So you give you 3 angles you do. I'm going to do 1 angle. I'm going to clean up the 45. Go ahead and install the pilot in here. So just exhaust right now. Just head out of the way. Only too tall. Stone's too worn, so go to a different size or something. That one's cut at 55. I'm going to look for the intake, but not the exhaust. That should work. Find out. Got a little grinder here. That's good. So see the nice shiny seat mark we just put in there. It's nice even all the way around. So that's good. So the heads are good, the valves are ground wrong. At least on the first one we done. That might change, but for now it's good. Let's do the other one here. This is how I grew up doing valve work. The manual method. The old way still worked just fine. Pretty slower. I was bouncing around quite a bit. Looks alright. It's probably slightly off, but it's good now. Gotta make sure you have no grit on your pilot. Okay, that's gonna be way too small. big ass ones for big valves. Perfect. Looks good. So the seats seem to be pretty good. Just the valves are junk. It's pretty close. One more just to make sure. Hidden valve tools, nobody know they're there. Unless they watch the video. They don't know. My floor don't get wet, so it's safe down there. It's on top of a material so it doesn't get dirty or rusty. Protected by this big machine. So there you go. Now see, kick the box. Alright, so there's your intake seat and exhaust seat. Pretty good. So I'm going to have them do a quick lap on those, see what we got. Air nozzle. Okay, so we do the same thing we just got done doing before, except this time it should work a lot better. So get some more lapping compound. Yeah, not much to waste, I'm almost out. Wait for my new sponsor to come in. Would that be my right pocket or my left pocket? Okay, well, which one's this one? This is the rear. That's front. Rear is over here now. See, no valve seal, so it drops right in. Yep, dirty one. It's definitely going to run a lot better with the valve work being done. Be nice if the intake valve was a lot thicker than this, but I've seen worse. Not much worse, there won't be anything left. Pretty thin. Okay. Let's see what we got this time. You know, it's not binding up so much. We got rid of the valve seal and the valve's now hitting evenly. So the way you lap is you go back and forth, up, move, come down, back and forth, up, down, move down, boop, boop, go back and forth like that. You never want to grind one spot all the way around. You want to move it around so it wears evenly. So it looks pretty good on the head there. So it sounds good too. It's not binding or jamming in there. When the grit goes away in the lapping compound, you stop. You can hear it kind of dull out. even all the way around right there, you can see it. You have to clean it to really see. Sounds good too. So you can see it all the way around. Okay. Clean everything all up. And see what you got to work with. Okay. So you look at the line right here going all the way around. Nice even gray mark all the way around. Valves turning nice and true, that's good. Exhaust, nice good lap all the way around, nice and even gray. No light shiny spots, dull, you know, go ahead and go all the way around. Nice and even, it's not going in and out like that anymore. Just like it's supposed to be. So there's that one too. So it all looks pretty good. So now we got a valve gel that actually will work. That's worth a lot of horsepower right there, let me tell you. Okay, so now we're going to check to see my light test. So the last test we do is our light check, where we look up to the light and see if we can see anything past our valve seat. So if it's dark inside the port here, you pass your test. If you have a little hourglass spark in there of light, then you fail your test. So that's how we do this. Okay, so we're going to turn our light off over here. I'm going to put this up to the light. Where the light went to? It's way back there. Nah, too much work. I'll go on this side where I can see the light. Okay, I'm going to, hard to see, but anyway, if you look up in there, you do it. So see how you got that light right there? You rotate the valve, there's no light, see? When I move the valve it does, but see, there's no light. It's only when I bump it, see, I'm bumping in my hand like that, I'm trying to turn it. So that's your light test. You see no light, it seals. So that's your best test for doing this. The liquid test is a bunch of crap. It doesn't mean much. So, alright, so that's going to be it for tonight. It's almost 3 o'clock now. So, if the customers come by tomorrow early, don't. The motor's not done. It won't be done tonight. So I'm going to clean these heads up a little bit. I'm going to get out of here. So like I said, it's 3 o'clock right now. That's enough of a day. So we got 6 hours on this head. We got 6 hours cleaning the top end up, and we haven't put it together yet. It's right where we started, except it's cleaner. And we're actually behind because I got to reassemble the heads now. But at least now the heads are rebuilt. The gasket surfaces are all good. So we have to worry about any leakage. The motor will run correctly, and the heads will function nicely. The motor should run a lot better than it did. So there you go. Another quick R&R swap out case, but we still rebuild everything because that's just how I am. Alright, that's it for tonight on this stuff.